Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Krishna. Still, if you haven't subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe and share with your friends. Let's start the session. Today we are going to discuss the different data sources which is available in Tableau.
Hello friends, in today's session I am going to explain the difference between published data source and embedded data source. Now I am having a one workbook in my desktop. The workbook name is called Bird's Eye. Now I am going to publish this one into server. I am clicking on publish workbook from server menu. Now it will open up a one window. So in this window I am going to select project as a default and I am keeping name as Bird's Eye and I am going to select only dashboards from the list. Now I am going to click on publish. Now if you'll see in the server, now this is the server. I am in default project folder. Now you can see here nothing is there, means Tableau workbook is not yet completely published. Now let me refresh the server. Yes, now the workbook is available in my project folder. Now once you will open up this workbook, now you can see this is the views, means now while publishing we have selected two views, that's why two dashboards, that's why you can able to see two views. And if you see the data source here, we are having one data source that is called Aerobirds data. Now if you go to the workbook, now you can see the name as it is, whatever the data source name here is, the same data source name is appearing in the server side. Now this, see, whenever you are publishing the workbook, means automatically along with the workbook data source also will be published to server, means that is called as a embedded data source, means the data source will be published along with the workbook, that is called a embedded data source. Now I am going to show what is the mean by published data source and what is the use of published data source. Now, from server menu, I am going to publish the data source to server. Before that, okay, now I am going to publish the data source to server. Now I am going to publish to sample folder. I am changing my project name as a samples. Now I am publishing the data source to server. Now if we'll go to server, now under samples project, now there is a only one data source is available, that is a Superstore data source. Now you can see one more data source is available, that is Aerobird's Eye data source. Now what I have done is from Tableau server, from Tableau desktop, I have published the data source separately. Means when you will publish a data source separately to Tableau server, means that is a independent data source. Independent. Now what is the use of publishing the data source? Now for example, you guys are going to create a 10 workbooks. In the 10 workbooks, you are going to use the same data source. Means each and every time, whenever you publish to server, what will happen to workbook? What will happen along with the workbook? Automatically, the data source will be published to server. Means what will happen? Again and again, same work you guys are doing, right? Now, instead of that one, what we can do is, why before starting development, you can create a one data source and you can publish the data source to server. Now we have published a data source. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to create a new workbook by using the published data source. Now I have clicked on new Tableau desktop. Okay, already I have one workbook, new workbook is there. Just click on connect data. If you click on connect data, here you can see Tableau server option will be there. Now I am clicking on Tableau server. Once you click on Tableau server, automatically it will sign into Tableau server or it will ask for user ID and password. Now already I logged in, so that's why I can able to directly log in. Now here you can see Aerobots data, and here project name is samples, and you can see the workbooks connected workbooks is 0, means with this data source there is a no workbook is connected with the published data source. Now what I am going to do is I am selecting this one and I am clicking on connect. Now you can observe the screen here. We have a one data source now in the new workbook with the Tableau logo symbol. See, whenever you will see Tableau logo symbol in the data source pane, means that is called as a published data source. Now you guys can create a reports with this and you can publish to server. Then that time what will happen? Only one data source will be available in the server. Then whatever the workbooks you have created by using the data source, those will be published to server. So this is the difference between published data source and multiple data, embedded data source. Embedded data source means that will be available along with the workbook. Published data source means it is an independent. By using the published data source, we can create another new reports. Okay, this is the difference guys between published data source and embedded data source. Thanks for watching my video and please subscribe my channel for new real-time scenarios.